Today we're going to make a chicken biryani. Add some ghee to a hot pan. Once it melts, add your whole spices and give them a quick stir. Leave them sizzle for about a minute. Next, add your chopped onions and give them a good stir. You want the onions to be lightly brown. Next, add some ginger and garlic paste. And give it another good stir. Time for the ground spices. Turmeric, cumin, coriander, chili, and a little bit of pepper. And stir them in. Next, add your marinated chicken. Then give it a really good stir. Add some chopped tomatoes, some chopped capsicum, and give it another good stir. Season with salt and stir that in too. Next, cover, reduce the heat and leave to simmer for about 30 minutes or so, stirring every now and then. After 30 minutes, remove the lid and leave to simmer uncovered. The liquid will start to reduce. Add some garam masala, and some fresh coriander and mint, and mix it through. Now it's time for the rice. Add your pre-cooked rice to the pan with the chicken and gently mix it through. Once it's all mixed through, add some more fresh herbs on top. And you're done. Enjoy your chicken biryani.